Okay, I got cut off there. The last one is one of my favourites now. It's a Degeneration X style domo, or it could be Mountain Dew style domo, or it could even be Monster Hitman domo, or Snot domo, or a Creeper domo. Anything that's green domo. Domo! That is so awesome. Domo, domo, domo. Yep, so that's the whole set, so we'll go through them in order that they opened, if I can remember rightly. We had the clamshell kind of guy, the yellow flocked, which looks like a what's it. Then we had Disco Domo. Then we had Brown Domo, Flock Domo. Then we had Chrome Domo. If I get this right in order, I'm going to award myself. No idea how, but there you go. Then it was Silver Mech Domo. Then it was Rainy Days Domo. Then it was Purple Flock. Red Flock, and then Green Flock. So if I just set these up here, hopefully it's not too far away for the webcam to work. Oh no, there's not enough room. Ah! These ones will have to buddy up somehow. Move your arm so you can buddy up. Right, so here's a quick run through of the domos. Try and get them all in frame. Domo! So there's the domos I got. Really cool. I'll have to find somewhere I can display them. Mysteriosupafan signing out. Please like, sub, comment. Bye.